everyone, hope you can see this clearly. Fiberglass. This is the old style plastic roofing or fiberglass roofing. Okay, you can see it's looking pretty bad. I'm going to see if I can improve this. We're going to try and do a soft wash on this fiberglass. I'll show it to you also from the top side. As you can see, it's very dirty, very dirty. So we'll be doing a soft wash process on this. This is the top side of the roof. As you can see, there's lichen starting to grow, and lichen will just spread over time. That's what it does. The spores just move downwards, starting from the top and downwards. And you can also see there's a lot of residual dirt. It's gone this kind of greeny brown colour. So we'll show you the process as we work and go from there. Folks, so this is the application stage. We're applying the chemical formula. It's all been pre-mixed, and we're going to be fairly generous. It's just because it's quite thick. The soilage is pretty bad, so we're going to be quite generous in our application. We're going to let it sit for about, for a little time. Let the chemical dwell, and then we're going to have a go at cleaning it off and see what we get. Alright, we'll show you the results as we go. You can see that beautiful, you can see the brown colour. That's already a clear sign that cleaning process is underway. Basically a sure sign that the organic matter which is on here is dying, and that is what is going to give us the results we're looking for. Hope you can see that browny kind of colour coming out. Beautiful. Show you the results shortly. Here we go. So look at that. Absolutely amazing. Beautiful. Just using a little bit of pressure for the lichen. And look at that, fiberglass is coming up like new. Beautiful, beautiful. And we're not damaging it in any way or form. Goes to show the power of soft washing, and also the power of knowing what chemicals to use to be able to get results. And what chemicals to use safely to be able to get results. Alright, I hope that's testament. I'll show you the finished roof, and I'll show you how much more light this customer is going to be getting through this roof. So this is where I've cleaned. You can see very clearly. It's come up really well. Okay, I just want to give you a feeling for how much more light you can bring in, especially if you have a factory or somewhere like Bunnings. And look at this. This is already partially clean because I've already sprayed chemical. Look at the amount of light that is blocked out. So I'll just show you that again so you get a feeling for it. So results speak for themselves. If you've got a factory or a fiberglass roof in some way you want to have it cleaned, you let us know. We're happy to give you a quote. So here's the finished results. Look at this, absolutely amazing. I don't think I could ask for any more. So you can see just from the amount of light that's cascading through here now, the whole space feels a lot bigger. And if you are a factory or a commercial property with this kind of fiberglass roofing and you have people working in there, light is really important. So it gives a feeling of well-being and space. So if you want a quote, you know who to contact, and I'll be happy to provide a quote for you. Hope you enjoyed the video.